Namaste children. In this video, we are going to see how to find out the HCF by prime factorization method. Find the HCF of 28 and 72.
Here we are going to find out the HCF of 28 and 72 by using prime factorization method. We know that prime factorization is writing a composite number as a product of prime numbers by repeated division method. So before going to the repeated division method, we must know what are the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. So using prime numbers, we are going to do the repeated division. Here it is an even number, so I am using 2, that is even prime number. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. Again 2, even number, so even prime number. How many times? 7 2s are 14. Here I cannot use 2, I can use 7. How many times? 1 7s are 7. So now write these numbers as a product. 2 into 2 into 7. Next for 72. Even number, so take even prime number 2. 3 2s are 6. When you subtract 7 minus 6, you will get 1. How many times now? 12. 6 2s are 12. Again 2, since it is an even number. 1 2s are 2. And when you subtract 2 from 3, you will get remaining 1. Now 16. 8 2s are 16. Now 2. 9 2s are 18. Here I cannot use 2. So here I can use 3 since 9 goes in 3 table. 3 3s are 9. And again if I put 3, 1 3s are 3. So you have to do the repeated division till you get 1. Now write these numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. After writing, what we have to find out? Common factors. Here 2 and 2 are common. And here also 2 and 2 are common. There is no other common numbers. Now from this 2 you write 1 2, and from here you have to write 1 2. Now 2 into 2 it is 4. So your HCF of 28 and 72 is 4.
Find the HCF of 14, 84 and 105.
Children, here we are going to find out the HCF of 14, 84 and 105. First let us take 14. Here we have to use the prime numbers for this repeated division. So 14 is an even number, so I am taking 2. How many times? 7 2s are 14. Next we have to take 7. Since 7 goes in 7 tables, we are taking 7. 1 7s are 7. Now write it as the product of prime numbers. For 14, how you have to write? 2 into 7. Next 84. Here I have taken 2 since 4 is an even number. How many times? 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again I have taken 2 since 2 is an even number. 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. Here I have taken 3. Why? Because 1 is an odd number, so I have taken 3. 7 3s are 21. Next we have to take 7, 1 7s are 7. Now write 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 for 84. Next 105. Since here the number is 5, we can take 5 here. How many times? 2 5s are 10, 1 5s are 5. Here 21, it goes in 3 table. How many times? 7 3s are 21. Here I have taken 7. How many times? 1 7s are 7. Now write 5 into 3 into 7. So here we have written the composite number, each composite number as a product of prime numbers. Now what we have to find out? Common factors. What are the common factors for 3 numbers? 7. So 7 is the common factor for these 3 numbers. So this is your HCF.
Children, there is an easy way to find HCF. Are you eager to know what is the method? Yes, let's see. Finding HCF by division method.
Children, here we are going to find out the HCF by using easy method, that is by division method. Here 28 and 72. The bigger number should be written inside, that is 72 is your dividend, and the smallest number should be written outside, that is 28 is the divisor. Now here, how many times 2 times 28? It is 56. Now subtract. Here you have to borrow 12 minus 6 is 6 and 6 minus 5 is 1. Now again this divisor will become your dividend. Divisor will become your dividend. Now how many times 1/16 are 16. Subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2 and here 2 minus 1 is 1. This 16 divisor will come here as your dividend. How many times? 1 12s are 12. Now subtract 4. Now this 12 divisor will become your dividend. How many times? 3 4s are 12. So now you see 28. Next divisor is 16. Next divisor is 12. And next divisor is 4. So finally what you are getting is your HCF. Otherwise you can say it as GCD, that is greatest common divisor. So what is your HCF? 4 and here 4. Whether you can say HCF, highest common factor, or greatest common divisor. Since here we know that in division the number written outside is divisor. So only we are saying here GCD is equal to 4. Otherwise you can say it as HCF also. Here we are going to find out HCF of 14, 84 and 105 by division method. First what we have to do is write the greater number first. That is your dividend. And the next number, what is the number? 84. It should be your divisor. So first we are going to find out the HCF of these two numbers. Now 84, how many times? 1 times. 1 84s are 84. Subtract. 5 minus 4 it is 1. And here if you borrow you will be getting 10. 10 minus 8 it is 2. Next this divisor will become your dividend. Now how many times? 4 times. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So 4 21s are 84. Now subtract, you will be getting 0. So now the HCF of these two numbers is 21. But we want to find out the HCF of 3 numbers. So what we have to do is we have to consider 14 and 21. Now we are going to find out the HCF of 14 and 21 using these two. Now 21 is the greater number. So write 21 as your dividend and 14 as your divisor. Now how many times? 1 14s are 14. Subtract. 11 and here it will become as 1. 11 minus 4 it is 7. Now here this divisor will become your dividend. How many times? 2 7s are 14. So now you have got 0 and this will be your HCF, that is highest common factor of 14, 84 and 105 is 7.
Children, in this video, we learned how to find out the HCF, that is highest common factor. From this, what do we learn? That is, if you want to achieve highest position in your life, you must dream big, work hard and make it happen. Hope you have enjoyed this video, children. Thank you, children.